and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to animate videos but don't know where to start, you are at the right place. In this video, I'll share with you 3 best AI tools that can help you create stunning animation videos even if you are a beginner. So, let's jump right in. First tool in our list is Blender. It's the free and open source 3D computer graphics software that can help you create animated films, visual effects, art, motion graphics, virtual reality, and formally video games. Second one in our list is Deep Motion. Deep Motion can help you generate 3D animations from video in seconds through any web browser. Last but not the least, we have Runway ML. Runway ML is an online AI video editor that uses machine learning to speed up the editing process and offer a number of enhancements. It has a feature called Magic Tools that makes creating professional looking films faster and easier with the help of AI. So there you have it. 3 of the best AI tools for creating animation videos. Whether you are just starting out or looking to enhance your existing skills, these tools can help you bring your creative visions to life. Which tool are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.